Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very quick and simple quiche, which we are going to fill with spinach and mushroom, which is a very simple recipe because we are going to use a store-bought short crust pastry, but there will be a day when I will show you how we make our short crust pastry. For my filling, I have a tray of mushroom, which is 250 grams, and I got the same amount of spinach. I have 1 onion chopped, 8 cloves of garlic crushed. I'll be using a grain of salt, a grain of pepper, and a sprinkle of mixed herbs, and a sprinkle of paprika, a generous splash of olive oil, and this is my short crust pastry that we bought from the store. For the filling, I'll be using 3 eggs, fresh cream, which is 1 cup, and for the taste, I've got 1.5 teaspoon of fine salt, and to grate, I have some lovely cheddar cheese, but you can use any type of cheese to your choice. I've got my oven on to 180 degrees, and to start off, we are going to blind bake our pastry. I have my pastry that I defrosted, and I'm just going to roll it out by using sprinkle of flour on the countertop. I'm using my rolling pin, and I'm just going to pick up my pastry. Here in my pie dish, I've put spray and cook. Press it in properly, and thereafter I'm going to cut the extras. I'm just going to tidy up the edges by cutting out the extra. I'm going to press this dough evenly to the pan. Using my fork, I'm going to create little holes. This extra pastry, I'm going to keep it aside and make some lovely mini quiche with it with my muffin tray. Here I have my pastry, of which I'm going to use a wax wrap over it. So I'm going to take some of my pea dough. You can also use some rice if you like. Level this. I'm going to pop this into my freezer for about 15 minutes. I've got my stove on medium heat, and I'm going to use a splash of olive oil, but you can also use butter. I'm going to add my onions to my oil. Mix this and allow the onions to get soft. To my onions, adding my garlic, a grain of black pepper, a sprinkle of paprika, a sprinkle of mixed herbs. Give this a quick mix. I'm going to add in my mushroom and also my spinach together. so the juices can dry. For my quiche filling, firstly I'm going to crack up 3 eggs. To my eggs, I'm going to add in my fresh cream. My 1.5 teaspoon of salt, a grain of black pepper, and a teaspoon of mixed herbs. So I'm going to whisk all this together. This is my quiche filling. I will cover and set this aside. This is my pastry that I've taken out from the deep freeze, and I'm going to pop it straight into the oven with the dough. The reason being, it will bake flat. We will give this pastry 15 to 20 minutes to bake. To my mushroom and spinach, I'm going to give a generous grain of salt. I give it a quick mix and allow this to come to a fry. All my juices have evaporated, so I'm going to put this off. It has been about 20 minutes in my blind bake. Just taking the pastry out from the oven. Now I'm going to remove my dough away from my pastry. As you can see, my pastry is still oily, so I'm going to pop it into the oven for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed and I'm ready to take my pastry out of the oven. It has bubbled up a little. That's the reason why we blind bake it. And I will allow this to cool for another 10 minutes and then work with the pastry. Now I am ready to add in my filling to my pastry. Firstly, I'll start off with my mushroom and spinach. Using my hands, I'm going to add my grated cheese to it. Thereafter, I'm going to gradually pour in my egg and cream mixture. I'm going to take this quiche and pop it back into my oven for another 20 minutes. This extra cream mixture I'm going to use for my quiche that I'm going to put in my muffin trays. It has been 25 minutes and my quiche is done. Just going to remove it from the oven. See how beautiful it looks. I'm going to allow this for another 15 minutes to cool down, and then I am ready to cut and serve. Here you go, your lovely quiche made with spinach, mushroom and love. and also served with a nice green salad on the side. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.